When things don't go to plan, G's tips for rebuilding. How to turn unwanted life changes into blessings. As we move through life, change is inevitable. Life can't stay the same year after year. We try new things and take on different roles, and in that, we adapt to the twists and turns of our journey. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whichever way they like. Lao Tzu. But through all this change, there's a part of us that remains constant, unchanged, and that is the core of who we truly are. This core is our essence, the unique thread that weaves through every stage of our life. It's the part of us that holds our values, our deepest truths, and the qualities that make us who we are. The outer layers of our identity may shift, but that inner core stays steady, grounding us through all the changes. Think about how you've grown and evolved over the years. Perhaps your style, interests, or even your career have changed, yet certain things about you remain unchanged. Your sense of humour, your compassion, or the way you see the world. These are the constants that define your core. Change doesn't have to mean losing yourself. It's through change that we can get to know our core even better. We can use change as an opportunity to study ourselves, how we react and how we can grow. We can then look back at times of change and see how we've evolved. Each experience, whether it's joyful or challenging, can show us more about what truly matters to us, and it can help us connect more deeply with our authentic self. Change can give us a brand new perspective on our life. Another quote from Alan Watts: "The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance." This doesn't just happen automatically, though. It takes awareness and inner work. The results, though, are worth it when we start to live the life we've imagined and start to become the person we want to be. Right now, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. What has changed and what has stayed the same? If you're going through a time of change, how can you use it to grow and live a richer and more meaningful life? Be proud of who you are, the part of you that is constant and true, no matter how life shifts around you. Tell me in the comments below one big change that you went through that you learned from. I'll go first. Love, Georgia.